Welcome to the SchoolPortal Presentation. SchoolPortal is the web front of VertiSchool ERP, which helps teachers, students and parents to access educational information, collaborate and interact with each other. Let's see the teachers' options. When a user presses log on, the Microsoft login page is presented. As a result, a very secured authentication and authorization mechanism powered by Microsoft Cloud Services is utilized. Teachers can fill in their credentials and press OK. This is the teacher dashboard. As you can see, a teacher has a lot of buttons which help him get information or arrange the educational process. The Classes button helps the teacher to quickly check out the list of students for each class that she or he teaches, along with some personal student data. The visibility of personal data may be configured in the VertiSchool back office using application roles. A teacher could also export these data to an Excel file. The exam scheduling button allows him to schedule an exam, a test, or an assignment. The teacher simply fills in a name and selects a class for the exam. Then the teacher can publish the exam in the main calendar. The student of the class can see it. There is also the exam history button, which helps the teacher find a previous exam and either edit or delete it. After an exam or test is done in class, the teacher can provide the exam result with the Exam Grades button. In this form, the teacher simply selects an exam and enters the grades or exam marks in a list of students. Besides marks, the teacher can fill in exam attendances and write comments for each student. Teachers save exam results and post them automatically to students. With the Exam Analysis button, a teacher can analyze the exam results, grouped by any column she or he chooses. As an example, the teacher can group results by students. By using a filter, the teacher can select a specific student and thus she or he can check out all students' exam results. All of this data can also be exported to an Excel file. Similarly, the teacher can insert term marks. She or he chooses grade and class and then enters marks for each marking category. Marking categories can vary per course. Back office administrators can change marking categories for each course. There is also a grade analysis button that shows final term grades in a diagram by course, class or students, simply by changing the grouping in the tab. So, as we can see now, we can analyze students' grades in a specific course. The Duties button allows teachers to assign tasks, exercises, or homework for a specific weekday. The teacher chooses a particular week, and she or he can add a homework for each weekday. In the row links, a teacher can add web links so that the teacher may lead students to related videos or files. Teachers can also assign individual tasks or homework in the Personal Duties tab. Then they can see and print all the duties of a day. Furthermore, there is a timetable button showing only the teacher's personal timetable. That way, the teachers can easily print out their timetable. Teachers can also submit absences using a tablet, phone or laptop in the class. They can add additional information describing the reason of an absence in the comments field. There is also an absence history tab, which allows teachers to check out all absences they entered or even delete some of them. Of course, this is subject to her or his application rights. The Remarks button is also a vital part of the educational section of our portal. It helps teachers interact with the students, the parents, or with the colleagues, depending on the category they choose to use when they enter a new remark. Every single category has its own visibility rights, so that each person can see only remarks visible to him or to her. So a teacher can choose a remark category and one or more students and submit the remark. There is also the tab My Remarks, in which a teacher can have an overview of his or her registered remarks. In this page, a teacher can also edit existing remarks. Another tab is Third Person's Remarks, where teachers can view a list of remarks related to their students entered by other teachers. Moreover, a teacher can organize and publish a class event using the Event Management button. This is achieved by using the Insert Events tab. When an event is registered, the teacher can send an event invitation to students. This event will be shown on the calendar of the school along with other public events, exams, or public remarks. Additionally, a teacher may search for books in the online library and review their content and availability. If available, a teacher can reserve books and pick them up from the actual library. A librarian will use the VertiSchool back office application to finalize this process and lend out the book to the teacher. A teacher can also access My Courses button. There, a teacher or student can see more information for each course. The link Go to Online Course leads the user either to Microsoft SharePoint or Moodle eCourse. Let's open one more course. Now this course is on Moodle. Our solution allows interconnection between Moodle and Microsoft SharePoint. A single sign-on mechanism allows easy access of Microsoft Office 365 tools directly within Moodle. Let's go back to Main Dashboard. Finally, there are 4 buttons for Office 365 personal tools, which allow teachers and students to easily access Microsoft Office online functions, such as personal email and calendar. There is even a personal data space for teachers and students to upload and share any file they want, just by using drag and drop methodology. There is more than 40 GB space per user, powered by Microsoft OneDrive technology. Similar functionality exists for students and parents. Students may check their exams or assignments, may review their school calendar or access their online courses. Parents may additionally pay tuition fees or submit complaints, remarks, or events, or book meetings with teachers. The whole solution is complemented with a very powerful and comprehensive Microsoft Windows back office application, where all workflows and setups can be fully managed. Thank you for watching the SchoolPortal presentation, the innovative platform for all kinds of educational institutions.